Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to time out someone in Discord. First, check your permissions. You must have administrator rights or the specific timeout member's permission enabled for your role. Server owners automatically have this power. To verify, go to your server settings, navigate to roles, and then select your role to review its permissions. This foundational step ensures you can properly manage users. Once your permissions are confirmed, locating the user is the next step. You can find them in the member list on the right side of your screen or by clicking on their name in a chat channel. A simple right-click on their username will bring up a context menu with various options. From this menu, you will clearly see and select the timeout option to proceed. After selecting timeout, a new window will prompt you to choose how long the user will be timed out. Discord provides several preset options, typically including 60 seconds, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 3 days, and 1 week. Carefully consider the impact of your choice. A shorter duration might be suitable for minor disruptions, while a longer one addresses more serious issues. Select your desired period. Once you have selected the appropriate duration, confirm your choice to apply the timeout. The affected user will temporarily lose their ability to send messages, react, or join voice channels within that server. You will notice a small clock icon appearing next to their name in the member list, indicating their timed out status. Should you need to, you can always right-click the user again and choose Remove Timeout to end it prematurely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.